Good morning. Central Government of India is likely to allow cinema halls to reopen from next month under the strict guidelines that needs to be followed by the owner of the cinema hall, the strict guidelines of social distancing and sanitizing, and the people, the customers who will come to watch a movie will have to wear mask, etc., etc. That needs to be followed. But right now, the opening of the cinema hall, maybe if the cinema hall open next month and central government gives the go ahead to open the cinema hall, it will only be applicable, only standalone cinema halls to be reopened. The rules for the multi-screen cinema which we find in malls are still being worked out. Now government will give, I think government will give, if government is allowing, it will give first, we'll see the what is the reaction, or whether the COVID is spreading or not, or something, by opening a cinema hall in a standalone cinema halls. After that, if everything goes well, then they will they can give order for reopening of multi-screen cinema. Now what are the rules that that the cinema owner has to follow? Sitting arrangement needs to be done in alternative rows, and each row would leave 3 seats empty between two of books of booking. For example, if your family is sitting one place in a row, then 3 seats will leave empty. After 3 seats, there will be another family. So the gap between you and another family, there will be a 3 empty seats. That needs to be followed. That means the cinema will work with you can say 1/3 capacity, and the air temperature needs to be 24 degrees centigrade or more, and the to play marks, or you can say the hygienic marks, needs to the people who will come to watch movie will have to wear the to play hygienic marks, which is mandatory throughout the movie time. And awareness message needs to be played during the time of interval. You know that there are lots of awareness message that are played during interval or before the start of the movie, like what is the problems of eating tobacco, and etc., etc. So in that case, during the time of intermission or interval, awareness program, awareness message of sanitizing, hand sanitizing, etc., will need to be played. Now and government will also focus on contactless tickets. That means government will promote the tickets that needs to be bought for the movie should be e-ticket, so that the cash transaction becomes limited. And at the same time, the hall management after each screening of the movie, the hall management will have to do a thorough proper sanitizing of the entire hall. And government will also support the hall management to sanitize the vast area after each and every half an hour. You can say that what I think, that the hall management will sanitize properly after the screening of the movie. But when the movie is playing on, you can see there are lots of popcorn sellers and everything are there in the area outside the screen. So every half an hour the entire area will be sanitized, and for that some technical assistance will be given by government, so that proper sanitization takes place. Now if everything goes well, if government give permission, then the multi-screen will not be applicable. Multi-screen, it will not reopen, but stand-alone cinema halls will reopen. Let it be clear and all. Now why it happened? Because the owner of the cinema hall requested the government to think about it, because due to this they said, the business owner of the hall said, okay, yoga, gym, etc. has already opened, some places restaurant was also open, so they requested to open slowly the cinema hall, so that the movie lovers who are right now watching their movies on online and on mobile phone, they can go and have the watch movie on 70 mm screen. But again, strict guidelines needs to be followed. Even the government is observing that Indian government has given relaxation in a lockdown in various, you can see now lockdown is relaxed quite even, and people are much aware now. That means people are wearing masks, they are sanitizing, they are not doing the social gathering, etc. So government is absorbing that as per the lockdown has been relaxed, still people in India are not giving that much gathering what we can expect from the crowded population like India. So Indian government might have thought, okay, let's give a go ahead to open up cinema hall with a strict guidelines. Yes, we know this pandemic has done everything on haywire. All business has become on a, what you can say, in a static mode. But gradually, everything is opening in a but with a proper manner, and also people are aware of how to fight with this deadly virus. They don't follow gathering, they don't use masks, sanitization, etc. So the people awareness has come in. And I also know that other countries like France, US, etc. has already opened cinema hall with the proper guidelines, the strict guidelines. If strict guidelines followed, and number of COVID patients doesn't come out from cinema halls after if the reopen happens, then gradually multi-screen cinema hall will also open. So right now the news is we can be back. The cinema time will be back. It can happen from next month or so, and the announcement can happen in the end of August. And again, I am saying no to the multi-screen. It will not open now. If at all government gives go ahead, then it's going to be standalone cinema halls. Thank you very much.